Okay, so I want to talk about components and styles for Module 5. Let's go. And so far we've used components, if you noticed on the design we did recently with the mobile app. And basically, I want to tell you that components are elements you can reuse across your designs. Okay, they help to create and manage consistent design across projects. You can create components from any layer or objects you've designed. These can be a whole range of things like buttons, icons, layouts, and more. And you can see that the what we did the last time, we did the components, and you can see that each of these are all frames, and they were able to embody um, that um, that structure that if I actually copy it in any design, it can actually work on any design anywhere. So basically, if I put any of these on the design, the action that I've actually created on this component, it will work anywhere, anytime. Okay, so that's just a component. So component, in a simple way, it embodies other frames to create an action in a design. Okay, it embodies other frames to create an action in a design. Okay, so that's a component for you. So right now I want to deal with let's deal with style guides today. So these are reusable collections of properties which which you can easily apply to elements, okay, in your design. In Figma, you can create styles for text, colors, and grids, and effects like shadows and blurs. Yeah, so you know that okay, this button is, you have seen that. If you've done research, you know that um, some buttons can be on stroke sometimes, and then later there will be on there will be on fill, there will be on maybe blank, and only just the text you see. So these are things. So if components are reusable objects, then styles are attributes you might apply to those objects. Okay, so components and styles are almost similar, but in a different way, because they actually work hand in hand together to perform any task, like any function in your design. Okay, so for example, let's work on style guides now. Okay, so if you remember when we started the design, I made sure of some things are very accurate. I made sure of the text, and I made sure of the sizes, and I made sure that okay, I kept the sizes across the the um, the whole design um the whole design journey. That's called a design system because we're creating sizes and text and and the objects that we are using for our designs. Okay, so let me show you how to actually create the style guide. So first of all, you go to typography right here. Okay, and this is also a guide. You can see you have the guides in every of the effect on your right side. You can see everything. You can see this is the field guide. This is the typography guide. You can see there's a stroke guide. There's an effect guide. You see, these are everything. So right now, let me show you the one for the typography. So if I click here and I say I want to create a style, you can see we have different styles here. So basically, what we want to do now is I want to create a new style. And the new style, name of the style is called, I want to say header, or maybe header main text. Header main text. So what is it for? So what is it for? You say for major text on screen. Okay. So show more options. We give you options like what is the size and what is the function, like everything about the text. So we know that the text will be 36, and then we know that it's extra bold, and then we know that it is 40. So press create style. Create style. So basically,